continue with the chapter of marriage proposal. We know that Chekhnov is the landowner, Natalia is the daughter, and Lomov is the neighbor. Lomov wants to marry Natalia or Natasha, and he feels he's 35 years old and it's high time that he gets married. And obviously Chekhnov is very happy that Lomov and Natalia are going to get married. Okay, but we also come to know that Lomov has little bit of breathing and a heart problem. Okay, so how the story goes, this is what the story is till now, and we'll do the further story today. Okay, Lomov. Okay, so last we know is that Natasha and Lomov are talking. Okay, and Lomov has come to ask Natasha for hand in marriage. Okay, and Natalia or Natasha says, what, like, why are you wearing an evening dress? So obviously Lomov gets little nervous, and Lomov says, what I'm going to tell you, you're going to get very angry with it, so please, I don't want you to get that angry, please listen to me. So Natasha says, what is it, tell me what it is. Okay, so now Lomov is going to say what he is going to say. You will go mad. Okay, I shall try to be brief. You must know, honored Natalia Stepnova, that I have long since my childhood, in fact, had the privilege of knowing you and your family. My late aunt and her husband, from whom, as you know, I inherited my land, always had the greater respect for your father and your late mother. The Lomovs and Chekhnovs have always been the friendliest, and I might almost say that the most affectionate regard for each other. We are close neighbors, of course, already know this. My land borders yours, my oxen meadows touch your breech woods, and so what happens is Lomov is now trying to talk to Natasha, and Lomov tells Natasha that my family and your family, they know each other for a very long time. Lomovs and Chekhnovs have been neighbors, they have been friends for a very long time, since lot of old times. And even when I was a child, even when I was young, I used to come to your house and I used to spend time with you all. The other thing which Lomov says that Lomov also says that he inherited એટલે એના જ્યારે ફૈબા અને એના ફૈબાના હસબન્ડ મરી ગયા ત્યારે એના ફૈબા અને હસબન્ડને કોઈ છોકરું નહોતું. So all the property Lomov got, that is called inheritance. Inheritance એટલે what? When you get all the property, that is called inheritance. So Lomov says that I got lot of money, I got lot of land from my aunt and her husband who died. After they died, all their property became mine. He's just trying to say that, you know, I'm wealthy and rich. Okay. And I had always greater respect for your father and your late mother. So Lomov also says that I really respect your father and I really respect your late mother. Why late mother? Because the mother is dead. So you call that person late mother. So Lomov says that I always had respect for your mother and I always have respect for your father. The Lomovs and the Chekhnovs have been friendliest. Okay, they have been friends for a very long time, and I might also say that the most affectionate regard for each other. Affectionate એટલે we are very close to each other, not just in terms of friends, but we are also close to each other in respect, in giving respect to each other. Okay. We are close neighbors, of course, and we already know my land borders yours. So what is Lomov saying? That we are very close, we are very close neighbors, and that your land and my land ka border is same. Okay, like both the lands are close to each other. You can imagine how close they are. Okay, and he says my oxen meadows touch your birch woods. Oxen meadows એટલે ઈ જગ્યા, ઈ land જ્યાં animals ને તમે ચરવા માટે મોકલો એને ox meadows કહેવાય. So Lomov says ki my oxen meadows and your birchwood એટલે another land જ્યાં વસ્તુ grow થાય. So he says my land, that is my oxen meadows and your birchwoods, they touch each other. That is how close we are. Our lands are close to each other. Okay, so I'll repeat the part again. Lomov tells Lomov જે છે એ નટાશા કે નટાલિયાને એમ કહે છે કે આપણે ઘણા ટાઈમથી એકબીજાને ઓળખીએ છીએ અને લમોવ્સ અને ચોકનોવ્સ ઘણા ટાઈમથી એકબીજાના ફ્રેન્ડ્સ છે. મને હમણાં મારા ફૈબાની અને એના હસબન્ડની પ્રોપર્ટી મળી છે બિકોઝ એ લોકો ગુજરી ગયા પછી એ બધાની પ્રોપર્ટી મારી પાસે આવી છે. અને લમોવ્સ અને ચોકનોવ્સ ઘણા ટાઈમથી ફ્રેન્ડ્સ છે. હું તે જ્યારે નાનો હતો ત્યારે હું તમારા ઘરે રમવા આવતો અને મારી ઘણી બધી સારી મેમરીઝ છે તમારી લોકો સાથે. અને હી ઓલ્સો સેઝ કે આપણા બેયનું લેન્ડ એકબીજાને ટચ કરે છે, આપણા બેયની બોર્ડર સેમ છે. અને મારા જે ઓક્સન મિડોઝ છે જ્યાં ગાય લોકો ચરે એ તારા લેન્ડથી એકદમ ક્લોઝ છે, એકદમ પાસે છે. Okay, so this is what Lomov is trying to say. And Lomov also says कि નાનપણમાં બી હું તારા ઘરે રમવા આવતો અને મને તારા ફાધર અને તારી લેટ મધર જે ગુજરી ગયા છે એના માટે બહુ જ રિસ્પેક્ટ છે. I really respect your mom. Natalia Stepnova, one moment please, forgive the interruption, but you said my oxen meadows, but are they yours? So now Natalia is little shocked. He says I'm sorry for interrupting એટલે sorry કે હું વચ્ચે તમને કાપું છું, but did you just say my meadows? He is telling Lomov કે તે એમ કીધું કે ઈ તારા oxen meadows છે. Did you just say that? Oxen meadow is what? જ્યાં ગાય લોકો ચરે. Okay, he says did you just say my oxen meadows? તે just હમણાં એમ કીધું કે ઈ તારા oxen meadows છે. Okay, Lomov, yes, they are mine. Natalia Stepnova laughing. What are you talking about? Oxen meadows are ours, not yours. So now Natalia Stepnova is laughing and she says, what are you talking? The oxen meadows which are there, they are ours, not yours. Okay, that means કે જે land છે જ્યાં ગાયને ચરવામાં આવે છે એ પ્રોપર્ટી અમારી છે, તારી નહીં. Okay, that is what Natalia is saying. Lomov, no, mine, honored Natalia Stepnova. So now Lomov is saying, please, that property is mine, that property is not yours. Okay, Natalia Stepnova, well, I never knew that before. How do you make that out? So Natalia Stepnova is like, આ વાતની તો મને ખબર જ નહોતી. આ ક્યારે થઈ ગયું બધું? હે, એ પ્રોપર્ટી તો અમારી છે. That property is not yours. Lomov, how I'm talking about oxen meadows on that tiny pitch of land wedge in between your Birchwood and Brunt marsh. So Lomov is saying that I'm talking about that land. Okay, I'm talking about that oxen land જે મારા land અને તારી land ની વચ્ચે જે નાનું એવું land છે ઈ land ની હું વાત કરું છું. Okay, this is what Lomov is trying to tell Natasha Stepnova. What? That I am talking about what land which is between your So now what happens is that Lomov is trying to say is that there is, see, અહીંયા છે ને લેન્ડના અલગ અલગ નામ આપ્યા છે. Okay, so you don't have to remember all the names, but just try to remember something. Here they have said that there is a land between Birchwood and Bruntwatch. Okay, બે land છે. Okay, now there are two lands. There is એક તો Birchwood land છે અને next is Bruntmarv land. આ બે land ની વચ્ચે જે land પડે છે that is Oxen Meadows. Fine. Natalia Stepnova, and Burntwich, yes, now they are yours. Now they are ours. No, you have mistaken, Autumn Natalia, they are mine. So what they are trying to say is that now the topic goes to another land which is called as Burnt Mra. Okay, so Natalia is saying now you are trying to say that land that is Burnt Ma is yours. So Lomov says ki sorry Natalia, but that Brunt Ma land is also mine. Natalia Stepnova, now think very carefully. Ivan Velsevich, how long have they been yours? How long? As long as I remember. Now really wait just a minute. So now what happens is Natasha says, please yaad kar, try to remember from when did they be yours. So Lamov says that as long as I remember that those lands were mine. So Natalia is saying just a minute. Okay. So હવે આ બધી વસ્તુ ગુજરાતીમાં રિપીટ કરું છું. સો શું થાય છે કે લમોવ ઓબ્વિયસલી આવે છે અને નટાલિયાને કહે છે કે યુ નો આપણા ભાઈ ફેમિલી એકબીજાથી બહુ ક્લોઝ હતી, આ હતી તે હતી વોટેવર, અને તારું લેન્ડ અને મારું લેન્ડ બી બોર્ડરમાં છે અને મારા ઓક્સન મિડોઝ તારા લેન્ડ સાથે શેર થાય છે. સો નટાલિયા ઇઝ આર્ગ્યુઇંગ સેઇંગ કે ઓક્સન મિડોઝ તો અમારી હતી. So Lamov says कि ना ऑक्सन मिडोज लैंड मारी હતી. So Lamov એમ કહે છે તું ઈ જ ઓક્સન મિડોની વાત કરો છો જે તું ઈ જ ઓક્સન મિડોની વાત કરો છો જે બર્ન્ટ વિચ અને બર્ચ વુડ્સની વચ્ચે જે ઓક્સન મિડોઝ પડે છે તું એની જ વાત કરો છો. સો નટાલિયા સેઝ कि જે જે બર્ન્ટ મરા લેન્ડ હતું એ બી અમારું જ હતું. સો લમોવ સેઝ कि ના ઈ લેન્ડ મારું છે. નાઉ આઈ એમ જસ્ટ ગોઈંગ ટુ એક્સપ્લેન યુ વેરી seeing ABCD. See, A, B, C, 3 lands are there. C is the oxen meadows. A અને B ની વચ્ચે આ oxen meadows છે. Okay? A અને B ની વચ્ચે આ oxen meadows છે. So નટાલિયા શું કહે છે કે જે B લેન્ડ છે એ બી મારું છે, ઓક્સન મિડો બી મારું છે અને A લેન્ડ બી મારું છે. Okay, this is what Natalia is trying to say. And Lamov is trying to say कि no, oxen meadows, that is C અને B બઈ મારા છે અને A તારું છે. So Natalia says no, A, B, C, all 3 are mine. Okay, as long as I remember. Why did I say A, B, C? ताकि તમને ખબર પડે. Okay, remember very very carefully કે બર્ચવુડ અને બ્રન્ટ મ્રાની વચ્ચે જે લેન્ડ હતું એ હતું ઓક્સન મિડોઝ. ને નટાલિયા શું કહે છે કે બ્રન્ટ મ્રા લેન્ડ જે છે એ તારું નથી, એ મારું છે. ઓકે. Lamov, I can show you the document, honors Natalia Stepnova. It is true. Oxen meadows were once the subject of some dispute, but now everybody knows that they are mine. They are nothing to argue about. You see, my aunt's grandmother gave the free use of the meadows in perpetually to the peasants of your father's grandfather, in return for which they were to make bricks for her. The peasants belonging to your father's grandfather had free use of meadows for 40 years and had got the habit of regarding them as their own, when in fact they actually belonged to. So now Lamov says that Natalia Stepnova, oxen meadows are my land. It is my property. I have a document, I have a proof that proves it that oxen meadow land is totally mine. And this thing everybody knows. Yes, I know कि આ ટોપિક ઉપર ઘણીવાર બહેસ થઈ હતી, કે આ ટોપિક ઉપર ઘણીવાર આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ્સ થઈ હતી, but I know for sure that land belongs to mine. What did he say? That you see my aunt's grandmother. Okay, Lamov ni Faibana Dadima. Okay, who Lamov's Faibana Dadima. Okay, that is what aunt's grandmother means. Okay, you see my aunt's grandmother gave the free use of this meadow to the peasants of your father's grandfather. એટલે what is Lamov trying to say? કે મારા ફૈબાના દાદાએ તારા પપ્પાના દાદાને ઈ meadows free use માટે આપ્યા હતા. Okay, what is Lamov trying to say? That my aunt's grandmother gave your father's grandfather, એટલે નટાલિયા સ્ટેપનોવાના પરદાદાને, okay, your father's grandfather to use that land for free. Okay, so that your animals could also eat. In return for which they were to make bricks for her. So what happened is, why did Lamov's aunt's grandmother gave this land to use? So that so that Natalia's father's grandfather ના જે માણસો હતા એ લોકો માટે ઈટ બનાવે. So let me repeat it again. So what happened is કે નટાલિયા જે છે, okay, let's say start with Lamov. લમોવના આંટના ગ્રાન્ડમધર, આંટ એટલે ફૈબાના દાદીએ ઈ લેન્ડ નટાલિયાના પપ્પાના ગ્રાન્ડફાધરને એટલે વાપરવા આપ્યું હતું તાકી નટાલિયાના પપ્પાના ગ્રાન્ડફાધર એ લોકો માટે ઈટ બનાવે અને રિટર્નમાં આ લોકો એને ઈ લેન્ડ વાપરવા આપતા. અંડરસ્ટુડ? શું કે ઈ જે લેન્ડ શું કરવા વાપરવા આપતા નટાલિયાની ફેમિલીને તાકી ઈ લોકો રિટર્નમાં ઈટ બનાવીને આપે. બ્રિક્સ એટલે ઈટ. Bricksની રિટર્નમાં they were allowing them to use the land. This is what Lamov is trying to say. The peasants belonging to your father's grandfather had free use of the meadows. Peasants એટલે ખેડૂત. So what they are trying to say is that after that your father's farmers or તારા પપ્પાના જે ખેડૂત હતા ઈ meadows ફ્રીમાં વાપરવા માંડ્યા. Okay? Meadows for 40 years have got into the habit of regarding them as their own when in fact they actually belong to. So what happened ke ee je property hati, ee je land hatu were to be used by the farmers for 40 years. Which farmers? નટાલિયાની ફેમિલીના જે ફાર્મર્સ હતા, જે ખેડૂત હતા, એ લોકો ઈ લેન્ડ 40 વર્ષ સુધી ફ્રીમાં વાપરી શકતા હતા because in return એ લોકો એને ઈટ આપતા હતા. But after that 40 years got over, still they are using that land. Still that land is being used. Natalia Stepnova, you are wrong. Both my grandfather and great grandfather reckoned that their land extended to burnt marsh, which means that oxen meadows were ours. There is no point in arguing. It's simply ridiculous. So Natasha or Natalia says that you are absolutely wrong. The land from oxen meadows up to burnt marsh is ours. Okay, and please, this thing we know, I know that this land is ours because it was my grandfather's land and it was my great grandfather's land. So Natalia Stepnova એમ કહે છે કે તું ખોટો છો. ઓકે, જે ઓક્સન મિડોઝ થી લેન્ડ છે થી લઈને જે લેન્ડ બર્ન્ટ માર્શ સુધી છે એ બધું અમારું જ છે. મારા પરદાદાનું હતું અને મારા દાદાનું હતું અને અમારું જ લેન્ડ ઈ છે. So don't tell me all this nonsense. I have the papers, Natalia Stepnova. Oh, I see. You're just making fun of me. This is a big joke. We have had land for nearly 300 years and now we are suddenly told that it isn't ours. Ivan Velsevich, I can hardly believe what you are saying. These meadows aren't valuable. They only come to about 12 acres. But that's not the point. It is the unfairness. I can't stand unfairness. So Natalia Stepnova says, oh, you're making fun of me? You're trying to say that for so many years that we are using this land, you are saying it is yours? How can you say? And that land, she's saying it's not much property. It is only 12 acres. But I feel bad that you are being so unfair, that you are being so rude. So Natalia M કહે છે કે you know, ઈ land જે છે ઈ ખાલી 12 એકરનું જ land છે. બહુ ઓછું લેન્ડ છે, મને એનાથી કાંઈ મતલબ નથી. બટ એ મને વસ્તુ બહુ ખટકી કે તું એમ કહે છો કે આટલા વર્ષથી એ લેન્ડ તમારું છે અને અમે લોકો મફતમાં વાપરીએ છીએ. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ વાય નટાલિયા સેઝ. અને એ એમ કહે છે કે હું ખોટી વસ્તુ સહન ન કરી શકું. આઈ કાન્ટ સ્ટેન્ડ અનફેરનેસ. Didn't you hear what I said? Your great grandfather's peasants, as I have already had the honor of explaining to you, used to bake bricks for my aunt's grandmother. Now my aunt's grandmother is being a decent woman. So what is Lamov trying to say? That look, that land was given to your farmers to work on that land. Peasants એટલે your farmers. Okay, so Lamov is telling Natasha that land, that property was given to your farmers to use it. Okay, and in return you all were going to give us bricks. Bricks એટલે ઈટ દેતા હતા. અને now my aunt's grandmother is a very decent woman. Don't tell me that એને ખોટી રીતના property લીધી. Okay, she is a very nice lady. Natalia Stepnova, who cares all about this grandfather and grandmother's business? The meadows are ours and that's all there it is. So Natalia Stepnova says, I don't want to hear any of that nonsense. I only know that those Oxon Meadows are mine and that Oxon Meadows will remain mine. They are mine. Lomov says they are mine. Natalia Stepnova, ours. You can go on about it until you are blue in the face and you can wear your 15 dress jackets. But I tell you, they are ours, ours, ours. I don't want anything that belongs to you and I won't give up anything of mine. Thank you very much. So Natalia Stepnova says, I don't care about you. You can go and tell whoever you want to tell, but that land, that property belongs to me and that property has belonged to us for a very long time. You can come in your coat, you can come in your jacket, you can dress the way you want to dress, but that property will remain mine and will remain mine till I am here. Okay, so thank you very much. You can, whatever you are talking is rubbish, whatever you are speaking is totally rubbish. Natalia Stepnova, I don't care about the meadows, but I am acting on principle. If you like, I'll give them to you as a gift. So Lomov says that, look, I don't care about this meadows, I don't care about that property. If you like, I can gift you those meadows, I can gift you that property. Natalia Stepnova, if there is any giving to do, I will do it because they are mine. I cannot believe your behavior. Up to this, we have always thought of you as a good neighbor and a friend. Last year we lent you our threshing machine, which meant us putting off our own threshing till November. Now you treat us that we are gypsies, giving me my own land indeed. In my opinion, that's not all neighborly. In fact, I think it's downright insulting. So what is Natalia trying to say is that, look, we have always been neighbors, we have always been friends for a very long time. And I cannot believe that what property is mine, you are telling that you are going to gift it to me, you are going to give it to me. The reality is that that land belongs to us. He says that we have always been helpful to you. Okay, there is a machine which is called threshing machine, je seed and crop ne alag kare. So he says, Natalia says that last year you wanted a threshing machine to separate your crops from seeds. We gave you that machine. Okay, and we had to wait ourselves till November to separate our crops from the seed. We thought about you first before thinking about ourselves, and now you are telling me that property belongs to you. Are you trying to tell me that that thing is yours? And he says that we have always been a good neighbor to you, we have always helped you out, and what you are doing right now is not at all neighborly. It's not at all a good behavior. It's a very bad behavior. Now, just to clear out the topic, I will just tell you there were two lands. One is Brinchwood and other is Burnt Marsh. By Burnt Marsh and Brinchwood ni vacche there is a land which is called as Oxon Meadows. E Oxon Meadow je land હતો, e Lomov એમ કહે છે કે e land અમારું છે અને Burnt Marsh land બી અમારું છે. So Natalia says no, Burnt Marsh and Oxon Meadows both are ours only. Okay. Lomov says कि मारी पासे documents छे, I have legal documents to prove that this property belongs to mine. Okay, so Lomov says કે મારા ફૈબાના grandmother તારા પરદાદાને, that is તારા fatherના grandfather ને ઈ property ખેડૂત માટે વાપરવા આપી હતી અને in return ઈ ખેડૂત લમોવના આંટીના ગ્રાન્ડમધરને બ્રિક્સ આપત. બ્રિક્સ એટલે ઈટ આપત. કે આ ડીલ થઈ હતી. શું ડીલ થઈ હતી? કે લમોવ નટાલિયાના પરદાદા લમોવના આંટીના ગ્રાન્ડમધરને ઈટ આપશે અને રિટર્નમાં એટલું જે નાનું લેન્ડ હતું એ લેન્ડ ઉપર જે જે નટાલિયાના ગ્રાન્ડફાધરના જે ફાર્મર્સ હતા, જે ખેડૂત હતા, એ એટલા નાના ઓલા લેન્ડ ઉપર એ લોકો ખેતીવાડી કરશે. આ ડીલ 40 વર્ષ માટે થઈ હતી. 40 વર્ષ પૂરા થઈ ગયા છે અને તો બી હજી સુધી નટાલિયાની ફેમિલી એ લેન્ડ વાપરે છે. કોની પ્રોપર્ટી છે, કોનું લેન્ડ છે, વી ડોન્ટ નો. નટાલિયા સેઝ ઇટ્સ માઇન, Lamov says, no, it is mine. Lamov પછી એમ કહે છે કે આપણે શું આ ખોટી વાત પર ઝઘડો કરીએ, જેનું બી હોય, હું એક કામ કરું છું, હું તને એ લેન્ડ ગિફ્ટ કરું છું. So Natalia says, are you mad? તું મને મારી જ પ્રોપર્ટી તું મને ગિફ્ટ કરીશ? You are mad? That property is mine, that land is mine. You and we have always been such a nice neighbor to you. લાસ્ટ યર જ્યારે તારે મશીન જોતું હતું ઓકે વાપરવા, ત્યારે અમે અમારું મશીન તને આપ્યું હતું અને અમારે પોતાએ નવેમ્બર સુધી વાટ જોવી પડી હતી, પણ અમે લોકો સારા માણસો બન્યા અને અમે તને અમારી મશીન તને આપી અને ઇન રિટર્ન તું અમને આવો બિહેવિયર આપો છો, ઇન રિટર્ન તું અમારી યાર આવું બિહેવ કરો છો. ઇટ ઇઝ ટોટલી રોંગ. ઇટ ઇઝ ટોટલી a bad behavior. Okay, it's very insulting. Lamov. Then you think I'm some sort of land grabber. Never in my life have I ever grabbed anybody else's land and won't allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. Drinks more water. Oxen meadows are mine. So Lamov says that are you trying to say that I am a land grabber? Land grabber એટલે કે મેં તારી પ્રોપર્ટી છીની લીધી છે તારી આગળથી. You really think that I stole your land? I have not stolen your land. And he drinks water and he says oxen meadows are mine. Natalia Stepnova, it's not true, they are ours. Lamov, mine. Natalia Stepnova, it's a lie, I will prove it. I will send my mowers out to meadows this very day. What? My mowers will be there this very day. I will break their necks if they set foot on my land. You dare. Oxen meadows are mine, you understand? Mine. So what is Natalia Stepnova saying? That I will send my farmers to right now go on that land and start growing things. Okay, so Lamov says, what are you going to do? So she's like, yeah, I will just now call my farmers and tell them to go on that land and start growing things. So Lamov says that if those people come on my land, if those people step foot on my land, I will break their neck, I will kill them because that property is mine. So Natalia says, no, it's mine. Natalia Stepnova, please don't shout. You can carry on as you please in your own house, but here I expect you to behave like a gentleman. So obviously Lamov is shouting by now, saying that property is mine, that land is mine. So Natalia Stepnova is saying, don't yell, don't shout, don't raise your voice. You can do all those things in your house, don't do it in my house. Behave like a gentleman, behave like a good person, don't yell. This is my house. If it wasn't for exaggerating palpitation and these throbbing murmurs ripping through me and my temples nearly burst point, I would talk to you in a different way. Oxen meadows are mine. So Lamov says that right now my heartbeat is increasing. Okay, things are happening in my head is hurting, and that is why I can't control my voice, I can't control my anger, because really my heart is beating really fast. But oxen meadows are mine. Ours, mine, ours, mine. Now Chakhnov comes inside. What's going on? What is all this shouting? Natalia Stepnova, Papa, please tell this gentleman who owns Moxon Meadows, him or us. The meadows are ours. So Chakhnov comes out by now. He hears all this shouting, all this yelling. So Chakhnov is like, what is all this yelling and shouting for? So Natalia Stepnova is saying that, look, Lamov is saying that Oxen Meadows are his. So Chakhnov says, no, Oxen Meadows are ours, it's not yours. Lamov, but Stepin Stepnovich, how can they be yours? Please be reasonable, man. My aunt's grandmother gave the meadows for temporary and free use of your grandfather's peasant. The peasant used to land for 40 years and got accustomed to it as if it was theirs. But what happened was, so Lamov is repeating the story to Chakhnov. He says that my auntie's grandmother gave that property to your grandfather to use it for 40 years. In return, they would bake or they would make bricks for you or eat for us, and in return we had given that land for use for 40 years. But after that, your farmers thought that it is their property only and they started using it as their property. So Lamov repeats the whole incident to Chakhnov. ने आखो इंसिडेंट કહે છે. ચકનોવને એમ કહે છે કે તારા દાદાને મારા આંટીના ગ્રેન્ડમધરે આ લેન્ડ વાપરવા આપ્યું હતું બિકોઝ ઇન રિટર્ન તમે લોકો અમને ઈટ આપતા હતા. એ ડીલ થઈ હતી 40 વર્ષ માટે, અને 40 વર્ષ પછી તમારા જે ફાર્મર્સ છે એ લોકોને એમ લાગવા માંડ્યું કે એ પ્રોપર્ટી એ લોકોની જ છે, અને એ લોકો બી એ પ્રોપર્ટી એવી રીતના વાપરવા માંડ્યા. ઓકે, સો આઈ વિલ સ્ટોપ હિયર.